Just getting around Jamaica can be quite fun and adventurous, whether you are a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or a party animal. Believe me, there are lots here for you, and these days, you have even more options. In this video, I take a look at some of the best way to get around Jamaica, both for visitors and for locals. Today's video is brought to you by Gibbs Auto Hiring Services and Tours. Get around Jamaica in comfort and style by using Gibbs Auto Hiring Services and Tours. Links in the description below. And by Elite Classifieds for all your classified advertising around the Caribbean and Jamaica. If you've got an item to sell also, Elite Classified will help you sell that item. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 1. Getting around Jamaica by local taxis. Our transportation system have come a far way. Today, the administration is tighter, and we have much more, perhaps too much taxis. We also have many robot taxis. These are taxis that does not yet meet all the state requirements, but still hustle. The process of gaining approval from the government is very cumbersome, I must admit. Dollar for dollar though, the cost of transportation is cheaper relative to, say, the United States. But you may run into some taxi drivers who may want to charge you a little extra if they suspect you are a tourist. So getting around Jamaica, taxis give you a great opportunity to rap with our locals and learn even more about our country. However, I would only suggest taxis if you're familiar with the places and or have a local friend to guide you. If you are looking for a low-cost option that the approved shuttle taxi provides, but with an added level of security, the true Jamaican friendliness and lots of valuable insight from a local, I recommend that you talk with Michelle Gibbs. That's the owner of Gibbs Auto Tours and Rentals. I actually do business with Michelle Gibbs, so I can personally recommend you. Number 2. Getting around Jamaica by vehicle rentals. Many of our visitors choose to rent a car. Of course, this option gives you complete flexibility. Moreover, outside of having a dedicated driver or local guide, it is perhaps the most efficient and economical way of getting around Jamaica, especially if you will be making some good rounds or if you are going to be here for a few days. The car dealers are abundant too, so check around for the best price. A little advice though, always remember to drive on the left and watch your speed limit. The local police are merciless to a speeding motorist. Bear in mind also that some of our taxi drivers are perhaps not as disciplined as you are familiar with, so that may take a little getting used to. You may also hear a few horns honking and see headlights flicker every now and then. These are some ways our drivers say hi to each other, or maybe they're telling you to get out of the road. Service stations are abundant and many open 24 hours, so can always replenish your fuel. Additionally, most if not all accept international credit cards as well, but I would recommend you keep some local cash for this. And by the way, many of our popular attractions are right off the main road too, so you can't miss. Number 3. Getting around Jamaica by airport taxis. There are what we call the authorized airport taxis. These are independent companies that have members forming an organization of taxi drivers that operate from the airports and cruise ports. Juta, Maxi Tours and JCal easily come to mind. They have been working in the tourism industry for years and have been very reputable. You will notice that many of the drivers are older too, and such would know the ins and outs of the attractions. They have visible desks and banners at our major airports, so you can't miss them. Number 4. Getting around by hotel shuttle. Many hotels offer shuttle service to their guests. This may be a good option for you if you will be spending much of your time in the all-inclusive hotels and will only venture out every now and then. It is more formal, I suppose, as they will have set times to follow. Having said that though, they do take you to some of the very best places and attractions, as well as for shopping. Number 5. Getting around Jamaica by smaller aircrafts. Although a small country and some better roads now, getting around Jamaica can still take a good chunk out of your time. Vacationers can, however, utilize Jamaica's infrastructure of airports to get across the island. Air Jamaica Express was the main air carrier responsible for shuttling vacationers, whose concern was getting around Jamaica really fast to their final destination, but it ceased its operation in 2005. However, travelers can still take local flights between Kingston and Montego Bay, and then enlist a charter air service to reach the nearest point to their resort. Tim Here Limited and International Airlink provides services to our airports. Their links are in the description below. Getting around Jamaica by boat. Perhaps the ultimate adventure is to explore Jamaica by boat. By now, you should know that in the Caribbean, we have some of the best waters and conditions for water sports, and Jamaica is no different. Getting around Jamaica by boat is easy, as there are also numerous charter brokers and charter companies at your disposal. In terms of activities, you have several options, from glass bottom boating to deep sea fishing. And please, don't think I'm speaking only of sea activities either. We have some unique river activities as well. More about rivers in Jamaica or on this channel, you can check those videos. The links will be in the description below. Whatever your choice of getting around Jamaica though, do have a grand time, and please don't leave your cameras. There will be lots to see. I have compiled some videos in a playlist of things to do while in Jamaica and attractions in Jamaica. That will be in the description below also, so you can take a look at that. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I am Alex. Bless.